My lords, the stories that one hears in the streets of Nairobi, the stories that one hears elsewhere, you cannot afford to ignore it. Stories like members of parliament were each given a handsome amount of money. That may be so or may not be so, but it doesn't matter. They have made a point that members of parliament received bribes and they handed down a decision which majority of people believe that it was a corrupt decision. You cannot afford to ignore that. Now, when you go to the Senate, you are told the same thing, that the members of the Senate received money in what is called, is it white bahasha or something of the sort, white bahasha. They received money from known people. Again, you cannot afford to ignore that at all. Now, when they come to the judiciary, they expect the best. They expect people who have got integrity. Not find a single letter from John Khaminwa complaining against any judge. I have never done such a thing at all. It's because I've got confidence in our judges. I've got confidence in our magistrates that they deliver justice. But I'm just saying you, my lords and my ladies, if at this time we have some people who feel very strongly in the camp because that they may not get justice before you are told, please walk out. Don't continue to hear the case. And indeed, the people who are saying that your lordships or my lady should not hear this case, when they are speaking, you cannot really criticize them. They have got some valid complaints. My lords, United States of America, which I had the opportunity and the privilege of getting and studying their jurisprudence, they gave me additional legal education. United States of America, which has an impeachment provisions like Kenya, for 200 years, there is no president or deputy president who has been impeached and the impeachment has succeeded. None at all. None at all. Kenya, a young country which got the first constitution involving impeachment provisions, came into operation in 2010, and in 2024, we are now being told the deputy president has been impeached successfully, has been found guilty. Is it unreasonable to suspect there is something wrong? Is it unreasonable to suspect that someone is doing something wrong? Kachagwa may be a nurse, may not be probably properly educated, but he's a deputy president of the Republic of Kenya. Why should he be the first one within such a short time to be impeached in the country? Can't you suspect there is something wrong, that you are not doing some things properly? That America, which has had impeachment provisions for 200 years, has never successfully convicted someone for impeachment at all, a politician.